Let's learn about the App Store. Hi everyone, and welcome to iPhones for Grown-ups. Today, we're going to visit the App Store. We're going to demystify exactly what an app is and give you a demonstration to help you understand how useful they are and how you can use them to make your life easier. So, let's dive in.
Let's go to your home screen. If you push the home button at the bottom of your phone, the screen it takes you to is known as your home screen. First up today, we're going to learn about the App Store. Well, what is the App Store, I hear you say, and what the heck is an app anyway? Well, app is short for application, and an application is like a little computer program that sits on your phone. If you look at your home computer, an app is just one of those icons you have on your desktop screen that you click on to open a program such as Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. On your iPhone, the apps are all the things such as Facebook, Photos, Weather, etc. All iPhones have an App Store icon on their home screen. This icon cannot be deleted, so it will be there somewhere. You just have to find it. It is sky blue with white sticks that make up the letter A. So let's locate the icon and click on it to enter the App Store. If you scroll down the screen, you will see some suggestions the App Store is making for you. App of the Day, Design Interiors like a Pro. Game of the Day. I am simply scrolling up and down with my finger just touching the screen and holding the tip of my finger against it and moving it up and down. That is what is meant by scrolling. Now we are going to go to the bottom to the search button. If you see along the button here, there are some options: Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and Search. I'm not going to bother with any of these and just go straight to Search. Now see this bar here? We tap on that with our finger and we bring up the keyboard. Now we can type in whatever it is we want to search for. So let's search for a game. How about Solitaire? So we type Solitaire into the search bar and hit the blue search button. Now, if we use our finger to scroll down, you will see all the different types of Solitaire available. If you see on the side here it says Get, and another one here, you see there's a cloud with an arrow. The cloud with the arrow means do I want to download it? Which means I've bought this app before and it's asking me if I want to download it onto this phone because perhaps I had it on an old phone. So now if you keep scrolling down further, eventually you will get to an app that has a cost next to it. Alright, here we go. Solitaire City. This one is ad-free, which means there won't be any ads popping up as you're trying to play. So that's $5.99, which really isn't very much to pay to not have annoying ads popping up all the time between every single game. So I can click on that and it would ask me for my ID. It says here, price $5.99. I have Touch ID set up, so I just simply hold my thumbprint against the home button and it would purchase it. You may need to type in your Apple ID password if you haven't set up Touch ID or if your iPhone didn't have that option. Alright, I do not want to purchase this, so I will hit cancel by touching the blue button. And now I'm going to scroll back up and look for a free download. And here we go, Classic Klondike. That looks good. Now it's going to ask me to install it, and as you can see there's no cost, so I can just put my thumb on there. Processing payment it says, but there is no payment, so don't freak out. Okay, as you can see here with the little square and the circle going around it, when that circle completes then that will be ready and the app is downloaded onto your phone and ready to use. If I touch the home button, you can see there it says loading. When that circle completes, the app will be ready to open. Okay, now it says it's installing and now it's there. I can tap on that app to play it, or if I was back in the App Store, I could click here on Open. I will go back to my home screen and I will tap on the app and open up Solitaire. It's asking me to accept the terms and privacy policies. Read those things carefully before clicking accept and make sure there's nothing in there to do with charging monthly payments or needing to opt out to discontinue paying. So click accept. When the app asks to send you notifications, I usually say don't allow. Allowing it means if there's a new game, high score, or some upgraded version the app wants to tell you about, it will give you a notification, and they're usually fairly annoying, so I just don't allow. If this was Facebook Messenger app or something similar, I might say yes, because I would want a notification when I got a new message. So right now you can watch a tutorial on how to play the game, or you can just skip that and start playing. Now when I finish playing, I simply push the home button. If I decide that is rubbish and I don't want it on my iPhone, I simply hold my finger or thumb on the button until a cross comes up and click the X, delete, yes, and now I click on the home button to stop other things deleting. So there we have it. That is the App Store. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful.